If your Amazon Fire TV screen is zoomed in and it won't zoom out, so it's not showing the full screen no matter what you do, then there's no need to worry, because this is how easily you can turn off magnifier on your Amazon Fire TV and fix a zoomed in screen. Here you can see our Fire TV is zoomed in and it follows the cursor, but it doesn't zoom out. And it persists even after restarting your TV. And it is the same everywhere. This is because you have enabled screen zoom or magnifier. And to disable it, you'll simply need to press and hold the back and the fast forward button together for a few seconds. So let's do it together, and after about 2 seconds, you can see the screen has zoomed out again, and now we are back to full picture. You can also enable or disable the screen zoom feature by going to the accessibility settings and then enabling or disabling screen magnifier. It's that simple, and that's all there is to it. So if you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more.